found something, circle.
Hey, what's up? You dug that up. I found it.
Well, whatever. It's still circle.
She says, well, whatever. Hey, what's up? Just got maybe two good hits. Got my daughter helping me, and I'm helping her. Well, careful, because if it's something good, you're banging it up.
Whoops.
Could be just a thick washer.
Well, it doesn't look like it has a middle to it. The washers has the middle part.
Yeah.
Do your thing. Your thing's probably cooler.
Yeah. I want to see what that is.
I don't know. It just looks like a circle.
Oh, we'll save that. We don't want to rub it too much.
Like corrode off. Find out what that thing is.
Here, let's see what it. I don't think that's it.
I hope not. That's kind of crappy.
We'll have to recheck that.
Yeah, but I don't know
But
what
I
that
found a badge or a dog license or something. I'm not sure what it is. Trying to get my glove off here.
That's annoying.
Hoover Ball Company, 934.
Cool. You always find the cool stuff.
Sweet. It's old.
You're not looking at it.
Oh, my bad. Alright, my hands are getting cold.